It was better when we could force him to draw. Here's the thing, Con, and everybody listening. There is one way you can still force me to draw something right then and there. If you issue me a 60-second challenge. Kinda like that. So, this is what makes Twitch great. Kristen used the 60-second drawing challenge. That was well timed. Mr. Hinkle as a monkey. So what's gonna happen now? I have exactly 60 seconds to draw this prompt. This is going to be great.
Oh man, the pen's already the wrong size. Wait, what's... Oh man, what do I... Wait. Oh, no!
I only drew the inside of one ear.
It's probably the best drawing I've ever done.
It
belongs in a museum.